Sanitize while saving time, energy, and storage space with Blu Towels from Mercer. These absorbent towels are made from 100% cotton and are sanitizer compatible. This helps deliver sanitizer solution at full strength for the most effective cleaning possible. The unique puck design saves valuable storage space and quickly unrolls for easy use. Start by placing a puck into a small amount of sanitation fluid. Wait 30 seconds for the towel to expand, and then remove the towel and unroll to its full size. These towels are durable enough to last through 4 to 6 shifts of normal use. Unlike reusable towels, Blu Towels require no distribution and inventory management. This boosts efficiency by freeing workers to perform other important tasks. Plus, no laundry means lower energy costs as well as decreased water and chemical consumption. Blu Towels are 100% biodegradable, requiring no special disposal when it's time to replace. Mercer Blu Towels are a simple way to revolutionize the way you clean and sanitize to deliver the best in food safety and sanitation.